Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys just how to create a heading for your notes. And it's really simple. I use just a text box and regular font. And this is just like one of the things that you can do. There's so many other videos that I'm going to make on the different, because there's so many hidden things in here that you can use to make a really nice heading or really great digital notes. So I'm just starting off with just this title. I'm gonna use regular font, nothing special. Gonna make it large. So right now you can't see the lines behind it because it has a white background. We're about to change that just so it can look like you wrote it yourself. So under shape and format where it says shape fill, you just want to go to no fill, and now you can see the lines behind it. And then we're going to remove the black outline, so then you're left with just the text. See? So you can, if you have a thicker font, a lot of people like to outline it, so I just go to text outline. And then you can just outline your shape. This is not the best font for that because it's really thin. But for bigger fonts, you can do that. My go-to for smaller, thinner fonts is Shadow. So I just go to Shadow. I always pick the first one. And as you can see, it kind of looks like it's hovering over, just hovering on the paper. But you don't have to keep it with that gray shape. Gray color. We can change the color, go to shadow options, and right here there's so many settings that you can change and play around with. I'm just going to show you that you can change that shadow color. See, so now it's pink. Let's do a green. You see, so you don't have to keep it that, plain gray color. You can change it to whatever color scheme you're using. You can change the blur, you can change the transparency if it's too dark, you can make it a little lighter. You can change so much in here. There's so many menus within menus. I usually always do 65 is the one that I like. And another thing that I want to show you guys, let's say you want to change the font design, you don't have to get rid of that and do it over. You can just go ahead and just put whatever font you want, and that shadowing is just gonna change as well. So you don't have to delete that and create it all over again. It just automatically changes. You can see here. Now we have a cursive font and the shadow turned into that cursive font. Now, so your titles won't move, it's important that you put it behind the text and you fix it. So we go to text wrap, put behind text, and then go back to text wrap, and you want to fix it into position, but I'm going to show you what happens if you don't. So right now we have that move with text. So when you enter or you're typing, that font will move with you. But if you fix it to position, it doesn't move. It just stays wherever it is that you put it on. And because it's behind the text, it's not going to interfere. So that's important, so you don't have to keep moving it. It just stays where you put it. There's so many other things that you can do with titles and headers. The next video that I'm going to make, see, like these right here are done with text box also. The next video I'm going to make is showing you how to do a digital highlight with hex codes of those really expensive highlighters. So don't miss out on that one because it's a really neat idea that I came up with. So hope to see you guys on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get alerted when I upload a new video. See you soon. Bye.